Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So talking about watches, OnePlus really should watch out for the upcoming watch because watching from outside there seems to be something very wrong with the OnePlus watch, and if OnePlus doesn't watch their back, they might be digging a grave for the watch even before it is ever out. So OnePlus, watch for your watch. That's too many watches in one sentence, but seriously guys, there is something wrong with the OnePlus watch because it has been axed once again after OnePlus itself revealed that the watch will be coming out really soon. So as we all know, the watch was expected to be announced in 2016. That never happened, and since then year after year it has been rumored and cancelled and rumored and cancelled. This year the watch was even found on a certification list with the name OnePlus Watch, and then OnePlus took it to Twitter with this image of the watch and with the message that more things are coming to the OnePlus ecosystem, it's just a matter of time. And this original sketch was posted back in 2016, but like what has been happening for the last 4-5 years, the watch has been delayed once again, and it has been delayed indefinitely this time with no release in sight. And that makes me think that there has to be something wrong with this watch. OnePlus has cancelled and delayed it multiple times by now, which also begs the question that why are they not able to make this watch work for the past 5 years? OnePlus has successfully made multiple TVs, multiple audio solutions, power banks, numerous successful smartphones, wireless chargers, car chargers, even freaking clothing and stuff. So why the F can't they make a watch? What is so difficult and demanding about a watch that OnePlus just can't figure it out? And it's not like they're going after Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch in their first outing. They definitely are not making the super high-end smartwatch with the most expensive price tag ever. And for a company of their caliber with sister companies like Oppo, Vivo, who already have smartwatches, it should be relatively easy for OnePlus to make a good watch, but still, they for some reason can't do it. Possibly the reason behind this delay is that OnePlus is facing some complications in the production and the software development. With that being said, it's a good thing that they have delayed the watch instead of rushing a half-ass incomplete product in the market, which would be more harmful to the brand reputation. Like I said, it's been delayed indefinitely, so there is no word on when or if the OnePlus watch will be released. The watch was supposed to have a circular dial, something similar to the Galaxy Watch Active 2 with fast charging and much more features. So let's see when this watch comes out, if this watch comes out, but probably not this year, hopefully next year. Let me know guys your thoughts about the OnePlus watch delay. I will keep covering everything about the watch, so for that make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you found this video informative, follow me on Twitter guys, and thanks a lot for watching.